MBS you use it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For being strong and for being there at the time when the country needs you most. You once again welcome and congratulations, sir. And it's time to congratulate the country.
Thank you. I'm Judith Alyek. I'm a member of Parliament for Kole District, and I'm the Chairperson of Lango Perliamentary Group. Today, have made a bold decision to sign for the sense motion. And I want this to be debated in Parliament. We as members of Parliament have been tainted with the word corruption. And for me, as a member of Parliament from Lango sub-region, from Kole district, I don't condone corruption. And I've already signed it, and I want to fight corruption in this country. And I want to say that even outside Parliament, I'm going to fight corruption. Jointly with fellow members of Parliament and other leaders who will move with us. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Government loses more than 10 trillion every year due to corruption. So I've already put my signature, and I want to tell my people in Kole that I'm one of the people, or one of the members of Parliament who has already signed the censure motion. And I want this Parliament to act and to allow us discuss this motion on the floor. I beg to submit.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.